Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
Kia ora ko Stefan West tōku ingoa nau mai hara mai. Nau mai hara mai ki te Rotorua nā tai tama tāne o Kirikiriroa. Exciting matchup, this is your Chiefs semi-final. And it's a nice kick there from, by the way, inside the Rotorua Marua and Rogers here. Slides there, so it's a successful line out here as we see Kara. He makes a strong carry over the advantage line. Kirikiriroa on the front foot. A pick and go here for Kirikiriroa. A good pick and go here from MΑORI. He's over the line and it's a pedal to Kirikiriroa to start this fixture. And they don't waste any time, but Kirikiriroa haven't engaged. And the referee's going to let it go because Rokura haven't passed the ball back. So, and it's a try, it's a pedal there for Rokura. Roos, he finds the ball, goes down the blind to Parai. Good defense here from Rokura. I think that's Arnold. Roos goes back to the open here. Puamo with a strong carry. He's over. Pedal for Kirikiriroa. He gives the call, fakes and comes back. Then back to the front again. Boom, moves. It's a successful rārangi here. Ka taia e rātou te whakawhiwhi ki te piro. Ai, kua riro te piro. The captain Arnold, he makes a carry. Referee has the arm out, so Kara. Dunlop, he's in space, very close here. Roos, and it's a try. That penal play for Kirikiriroa. Advantage here for Kirikiriroa. Moves now off the Puamo. Good carry there from Puamo. Dunlop gives it off to Vanderhayden. Very close here, Kirikiriroa. O ko tēnei te rārangi, huri. And it's a piro wano, Kirikiriroa. Renata pops the ball off, good strong carry here, but he's held up. The ball carrier for Rokura. Ball looks alive here for Rokura. Katukana Chisholm. Kia Weaver. Chisholm here, he's going to get over. And it's a pedal for Rokura right under the sticks. Right towards the pedal. Chisholm feeds. Rogers straight off the back. Gives it off to Tutavaiva. There's open space here for Rokura, and that's another try here, so they can stay in this. Chisholm, he's going to feed this kakari here. Rokura. Magavi acts as a dummy runner. Chisholm's going very close. Can he get a double here? The ball's alive here for Rokura. Pick and go here, they're very close. Another pick and go here, just short there. Stewart's right on the line, the referee, he can see everything. Rogers, the captain, that's over. So another pedal for Rokura, and they've got themselves right back in this fixture. And we go back to the blind side here for Rokura. Weaver, who had a very strong run earlier on. It's advantage now for Rokura, so they might even want to find 3 points and look to find a try, but they're going to get a chance here. Richard Stefan goes off here to Hunia, but that pass is forward, so Richard Stefan strikes it nicely, so Rokura gets over the advantage line. More phases here for Rokura. That's another carry. Mailulu's been absolutely damaging for Rokura. Phillips now passes it back to Mailulu again. Just the amount of mahi he's done. There's a good run here for Rokura! And Phillips, it looks like he's won the game for Rokura. They tap it there and Tutavaiva kicks it out. Rokura are your winners.
What a comeback from Rokura. Down by 30 points. They found a way to come back. And right on the line. Penalty given away. Great turnover. Kirikiriroa had to hold their heads nice and high. They worked really hard to get to that point.
Everybody that I know,
Yeah, they down with this.
Mātakitaki,
Cause they down with this.